Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be visiting the exotic bird mart and expo show. Over there, we saw many species of birds, including manakins, zebra finches, golden finches, and many more. We even saw this really beautiful group of parrots, including macaws and many other large birds. This one had to be my personal favorite one. We even saw a bunch of smaller birds like orange-cheeked waxbills, manakins, zebra finches, society finches, and many, many more. We even saw a lot of budgies and a bunch of larger parrots. We even saw a small flock of young golden finches, canaries, and many, many more. In the end, we came with a brand new male golden finch and this beautiful pair of orange-cheeked waxbills. Overall, I'd say the visit was worth it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you next time.